Now we know why this huge cavity formed into the tooth. You can see a huge hole right down there, cleaning all that decay out and now prepping it out for the root canal. So placing the rubber dam around the tooth, using rotary endophiles, cleaning and disinfecting the tooth with sodium hypochlorite and killing all that nasty bacteria in there. Disinfecting the tooth, checking out that it's sound walls in there. Now placing sealer, placing the gutta percha cones in there. We're gonna melt that in, seal it up. That's what seals that area, the root canal system. Now getting it ready for the fiber post. Etch, acid etch, bond. And we are gonna then put that nice little curing light and then 3 fiber posts with cement. Boom. That's gonna help core it up. And look at that, it looks fantastic. Composite core all the way through, curing it repeatedly. And it's such a beautiful core buildup. I love it. Okay, now we're prepping it for the crown. And by the way, this is going to be a gold crown. I do not do gold crowns like since 20 years, but this individual likes to do a gold crown, so we are doing it. So here we go. We prep it all the way around and boom, it is going to be ready for that impression. And so we take out tooth structure from buccal, facial, lingual, occlusal surfaces. Looking fantastic. Look at that chamfer. Beautiful definition. And now we're using that diamond burr, polishing it, and then using this thing to polish it a little bit more. And voila, I love it. And here's the impression. And boom.